Hey there folks, and welcome back to the Quick Crop Potting Shed. So instead of my ugly mug, what you're going to be seeing on your screen now is some beautiful cosmos flowers, and that's basically an annual flowering plant. They're absolutely beautiful. They come in a range of different colors. We obviously, because we're so clever, have picked the best ones, and I've been growing them here in the polytunnel. So if we come back to me now, what I've done is, now you can sow cosmos seeds directly in your soil outside. You'd want to be waiting till the end of April, I would suggest, early May, so it's nice and warm to do that. But if you want to get them flowering early, you can start them in the polytunnel a little bit earlier and pot them on into trays, and then we'll plant them out later, or you can grow them in the polytunnel. So basically what I've done here is, I've already done some of these, so it's a bit messy there, but I've grown my cosmos in these little seedling trays, and now I want to prick them out and put them into a larger tray so that each plant has its individual cell. So I'm using this 6-cell tray here. That's about the largest really that I'd use. We don't want to put too much compost in. And then I'm just filling the tray with compost. So I'm rubbing it between my hands here just to break up any lumps. This is just a good organic multi-purpose compost. And then, as I always do, I'm pushing the compost down into the tray. And a lot of people think you just fill the tray and leave it all sort of fluffy like that, but your roots actually like a little bit of a firmer compost. And then also, the more compost that you get into the tray, then obviously the more nutrients you have. So that's then the plant is going to last longer and be happier in there for longer. So then to prick out my seedlings, if you can see, all I'm doing here is I'm shoving a pencil underneath my group of plants. I'll take out a chunk of them there, or a lump, or whatever we call it. And we can see we've got 3 seedlings there. So I'm just gently breaking them up. And there we have one plant. I'm going to hold it by the leaves, and you can see that we have our little root ball there. And then I'm just making a hole in my compost, and I'm pushing it in, planting it up to my first set of leaves there. We'll do another one just for fun. As long as you're just careful teasing them out, you're not going to damage the roots. Again, you've got lovely root ball there. That's a nice healthy looking plant. Poking it down, and in we go. When we're finished then, we want to water them. What I like to do is put them in a tray of water so they get properly saturated. And then you're probably not going to water them for a few days depending on the temperature, but then these are going to grow on into some of the most lovely annual flowers that you have ever seen. So come back to a later video and see just what they look like. But thanks for watching today. I hope this was helpful for you. We'll see you in the next video.